Hello guys, welcome back with me, Ciao Ciao 2025. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Stable Diffusion and exploring how to take your prompts to the next level. This video introduces you to two powerful tools, that is Xseez, Plot Script, and PromptShare or Search Replace, both available in Forge and Automatic 11.11. Crafting the perfect prompt is crucial for successful AI art generation. But sometimes, a single prompt might not capture all your creative ideas. This is where Xseez, Plot, and PromptShare come in. Xseez Plot allows you to create a grid-like structure where you can test different variations of your prompt across multiple axes, that is X, Y, and Z. Imagine exploring different styles, objects, or settings within a single prompt. PromptShare Search Replace is another fantastic tool for refining your prompts. It allows you to easily search for specific words or phrases within your prompt and replace them with different options. Here is an example using one axis, that is X. We use long hair as a key and then replace it with other hairstyle. Go to Script, select XYZ Plot. In X type, select PromptShare. In X values, start with the key that is long hair, followed then by comma for each prompt variations that you want to add it. Don't add comma after the last prompt, or else you will get an empty prompt on the last image. For now, I add long hair, wavy hair, bob hair, updo hair, loose curly afro in X value. Make sure the first word before comma is the key and it need to also existed in the main prompt. Here are the results. As you can see, each picture has its own title based on the prompt variation. Now I add white skin as a key. Also, I add shirt to avoid NSFW result. I change it into white skin, black skin, red skin, green skin. Here are the results. Well, since this model is not trained with skin color, it seems is not working. Now let's try other variant. This time we change shirt into red shirt. Then we add the variants red shirt, green shirt, black shirt, blue shirt, rainbow shirt. Here are the result. The result work for some shirt and blue shirt seems keep white if you want. You could actually add more power to the prompt. Here is the example. I add more power to blue short to 1.5. Here are the result. Now let's try make a matrix. This time we add the y-axis. We also use the PromptShare for y-axis. This time we added hair color, blonde hair and red hair. I also remove rainbow shirt to speed up the process, because adding 2i it mean we generate x time I image. In this case, 4 times 2, that is 8 images. Lastly, add z-axis. Let's add 2 more variant. This time we use Laura. I remove black shirt. So we're going to generate 3 times 2 times 2, that is 12 images in one go. I use Scarlett Johansson and Ioba face for Laura to make an extreme difference so we could notice the changes. Here are the results. Anyway guys, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day.